morning, Scots. Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Kim.
Hello, students and teachers. I'm Ashara, and we have some announcements for you today.
First, esports has a meeting today during lunch at 11D.
Second, softball season is around the corner. If you are interested in signing up for the spring season, stop by 7K and scan the QR code on the door to receive all the information. Third, women's basketball tryouts, October 23rd, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. The 24th, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. The 25th, 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Please make sure to have a physical and athletic packet turned in before. Now it's time for a commercial break.
Do you like horror movies? Do you like monsters, ghosts, and paranormal activity? Something new is coming to Highland. If you are looking for a scare this Halloween, this is for you. Come watch your friends on the big screen at Highland's first horror-themed film festival, October 25th, 2023. Highland Video Production presents Highland's Halloween Horror Night.
First breakfast is served from 7:35 to 7:50, but only for students who have a zero period. But second breakfast will be served from 8:25 to 8:55, and lunch will be served to all students from 12:09 to 12:44. Dinner will be served at 5:35 to 5:50, and snack is served from 5:30 to 6 o'clock.
All food is free for all students, even this guy.
Thank you for that information.
Here's a quick recap about the letters from Plaid, P, L, and A.
Here's some simple ways that you can show pride at Highland.
My girlfriend broke up with me yesterday. She said I wasn't enough for her. I'm sad. I should have done better. What? My girlfriend broke up with me.
That sucks, man, you know?
She said I wasn't enough.
Man, you're more than enough.
Really?
Yes.
You're not supposed to be down there. You're supposed to be in class, man. He's not making smart choices.
Here's one simple way you can show leadership at Highland. Inspiring others to do the right thing is an easy way of showing leadership.
Hey! What? Bro, what's the deal with this? Why'd you leave this over there, bro?
I mean, it's just trash.
Hey, man, just anyway, next time, make good choices. Throw your trash, bro.
I will.
Here's how to and how not to show attitude.
Oh, dude, are those chips? Thanks. Hey, dude, can I have some chips?
Yeah, sure, dude. That's all you get.
Oh, thanks, dude.
Hey! What?
Hey, man, you shouldn't push people around like that.
What are you gonna do about it?
I'll show you. Plaid powers! Hey, man, you okay?
Now I learned how to treat people how they want to be treated.
The video production program is selling t-shirts starting today at the finance office for $20.
Check out the design for the t-shirt, Marvel Comics theme.
Remember, if you'd like to purchase one, go by the finance office before school, during lunch, or after school.
$20 for a t-shirt. That's it for today.
And remember to always plaid up.